Hello everyone, we are back again today. So last video we discussed some normal the basic part. Okay, we can say. So the basic part we loaded one table, the Excel table. Okay, so the Excel table you can see here. This is our Excel table. Last time we loaded. Okay, the data is here, the actual Excel file. Okay, so here you can see this book one. Okay, not book two. Okay, so this one the table we loaded last time and it has 700 rows. Okay, and we had done some normal calculation like a sum. Okay, normal basic DAX we use sum of the total profit and sum of the total sell. Okay, these two calculation we had done last in the last video. Okay, so we'll start from this video only. Okay, now our intention is to load another table also, which is table 2. Okay, so table 2 is here. This is table 2. Okay, in this table 2 we have the some data, some rows. So here we have the product. Okay, and the manufacturing price which was given in this one, in the table 1 price. Okay, so if you select, let's say I'm selecting the any product. Okay, and now you can see the manufacturing price is 10 for Paseo. Okay, so now we have got the revised manufacturing price. Okay, the Paseo is now the revised manufacturing price is 15. Okay, and Montana earlier it was 5, now it has become 6, and so on. Okay, so all the products, the manufacturing price has been revised. Okay, now our intention is to bring this new price. Okay, and calculate the total manufacturing price like here we have done. Okay, now total sell, total profit, we are going to calculate the total manufacturing price by bringing this latest, the revised manufacturing unit price. Okay, so I'm going to bring this table in our Power BI model. Okay, in the Power BI desktop. So let us close both table. Okay, both table. So to bring another table, as shown you in my last video, you have to go to data and get data. Okay, click on Excel workbook, then select the book 2. Okay, which I have just shown. So book 2 I'm going to select. Okay, which has contained the revised manufacturing price. Okay, so here this one, so I'm going to tick mark this one and click on load. Okay, or you can click on transform also if you want to check the data type and all, whether it's correct or not. So as you can see here, 123 meaning the this is the whole number. Okay, and here also this is whole number. Okay, and this ABC meaning this is tax. Okay, this is tax, you can see here ABC meaning tax. So I'm going to give the name of this table revise MFR price. Okay, manufacturer price, and hit enter. So this table is become now revised manufacturer price. Okay, now I'm going to close and click on apply, close and apply. Okay, so now what will happen, this table is going to load in our Power BI desktop. Okay, you can see here now we have two table. Earlier we had one data table. Okay, which is table 1. Now we have revised manufacturing price, which is table 2. Okay, now what our intention is to bring this revised price, this price. Okay, in the data here. Okay, then what we are going to do, we are going to calculate the total unit multiply by revised manufacturing price, then we'll get the we'll get the total manufacturing price by using small dax function, which is like similar to this one. Okay, sum. Now to bring this revised data, revised manufacturing price, what we have to do is we need to join both table. Okay, so here you can see here that we have the product. Okay, and if you go to the data table, here also we have the product. Okay, so this is our matching column. Okay, so we need to match product with the product. Okay, and get this column. Okay, get this column data. Okay, so what we have to do, very simple, you can apply this in the power query. Okay, so to open the power query, you can go to transform. Okay, in the home tab, transform and transform data. Okay, so here we have two table. Okay, this is data. I'm just going to rename this as a tbl1. Okay, tbl1, and this I'm going to put the bracket and tbl2. Okay, because this is the name which is given in our actual file. Okay, table 1, table 2. So book 1, book 2, meaning table 1, table 2. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one. Okay, and I'm going to select, by pressing control I'm going to select both table. Okay, then I'm going to click. So first of all you have to click here. Okay, because we are going to bring this data into this one. Okay, so first click this one, table 2, and then click on table 1. Okay, now you click on this icon. Okay, okay, from the home tab you can see here merge query. Okay, we are going to just going to combine, we are going to take the, we are going to combine, and we are just going to join both table and by doing left outer join. Okay, so here you can see here it is going giving us left outer join. So from this one our common column is product. Okay, this is table 1 and another is table 2, and here also we have the, we have the common, the product column, so both are common. Okay, now what we have to do next, we can click OK. You can see here it is showing that we have 7 rows and all the rows are matching. There is no mismatch, meaning all the, all the product will have the revised manufacturing price. Okay, then click on OK. Now you can see here we have merged. Okay, then we got the table. Now what you have to do, you click on this one. Okay, and select this column only, and this one you just remove. Use original column as a prefix, we do not want this one, so you just uncheck this and take this column new manufacturing price. Okay, now you can see here we are able to get the new manufacturing price. Okay, earlier if you go, if you go to this one Pasayo, you can see here the price, earlier price was how much, 10, 10. Okay, 10 you can just refer as a 10 USD. Okay, now we have 15, so meaning we got the revised price. Okay, now we have the revised price. Okay, so now what you have to do, you can just close and apply. Now you can go to data tab. Here you can see one more column is added, which is new manufacturing price. Okay, now what you have to do next, you can multiply manufacturing price and unit sold. Where is unit sold, this one. So you can do this one in the power query also. Okay, you can multiply this in the power query also, I'll show you, and in the power BI itself also you can do both way. Okay, so let me show you in the power query. I'm going to transform, and here I'm going to multiply. So what you have to do is you can click on the unit sold, this is the unit sold, and the manufacturing price. Okay, and here we have add column, then multiply. Okay, now you can see here It's just simple. You can press both column together and you can click this one and you can click on add. Okay, I'll show you again. So what you have to do is you can go to the total unit sold. Okay, this is the unit sold, and then you can click this one, and on the add column tab you can click multiply. Okay, so simple. Now this is both column is multiplied, so this one we can name it. You can double click here also and give the name. Either you can click here on this one multiplication. I'm going to give the name total MFR. Okay, amount. So total manufacturing amount, this one. Okay, and click close and apply. Now you can see here we have another column, total manufacture. You can go to here on the table view, you can see exactly how it is showing. It will show same as a power query. You can see here. Now here we have all the total MFR manufacture price. Okay, the amount. Now you can just do another DAX, a small calculation. I'm going to click right click and measure. Okay, I'll show you what is the column also. So you click on new measure and here type total MFR price or amount. Okay, price. So simple. You can click here. uh, this is measure, so I'm going to type mx underscore for the identical purpose only. You can give any name as you want. Okay, so here I'm going to again do the sum. So what I'm going to sum, I'm going to sum MFR column. Okay, so in the table 2 we have total, sorry, in the table 1 we have the total MFR amount. Close and click this one, commit. Okay, now we have another one more card visual. So I'm going to, you can take this one from the here also we have the card visual. You can click. Okay, and you can click on this one. So now it is showing that we have this much amount as a manufacturer price. Okay, so this one. Otherwise what you can do, just delete this one. Okay, and copy this one and paste it anywhere here. Okay, let me make it small and delete this total cell and bring the total manufacturer price. Okay, so now what you have to do next is, okay, so this is the way I'm going to show you another way around how you can do the total cell. This one I have done in the power query by multiplying both column. Okay, the total unit sold and the new manufacturer price. So here let me remove this one. Okay, let me remove this column. Okay, so now we have only the new manufacturing price, but we do not have the, the multiplication between the manufacturer price and the unit sold. So that calculation we'll do in the Power BI. Okay, Power BI desktop. So let me again close this. Now we'll have the error here because that column is gone. Okay, so you can see here it is giving the error. Now what we have to do in the Power BI desktop, you can go to the table view here. Okay, and the table view you can right click here. Okay, on the any of the column and click on new column. Okay, now here what you can give, I'm going to give the same name. Okay, the same name of the column what we already given. Okay, so the total amount I'm going to give. Okay, total MFR amount. So in the data, in this table I'm going to right click, and in this time I'm going to click new column. This is the calculated column. Okay, So measure meaning we are going to patch the we are going to calculate one single value, but in the column we are going to calculate row by row. Okay, so new column, and I'm going to give this one is equal to, so what is our logic here, to to multiply. Okay, multiply the unit sold. So you type here unit sold, okay, into what is that next, MFR, manufacture total manufacture price. This is the column name, no, new manufacture price. Okay, new manufacturing price, then click this icon. Now it will give you the same logic, same value it will give. Okay, now if you go to the report view, now again we have the calculation. Okay, so this is the logic today I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so here in this video we have loaded another column and we have done the small calculation, and we have brought the column value by using merge query in the Power Query. Okay, okay, so this is uh, the logic today I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for your time. In my next video we'll go, we'll load more table, and we'll apply some relationship. Okay, currently you can see here we have only one relationship. Okay, so this table is not connected at all. Okay, this table is showing it is connected, but this is like auto relationship. When we loaded the table, this got connected automatically. Okay, so product with the product. In my next video I'll show you, I'll will load much another some few more table, and then we'll apply the relationship in our next video. Okay, thank you for your time. Thanks.